Lowry Pond. Don't you think it's a bit spelled wrong? What are water striders? Things that hover in water? Don't listen to her. She's lying all the time. Her body. This is propaganda. Good morning, guys. We are on our way to get some fish for lunch. After we eat some lunch, we're gonna go to an adventure. I won't tell you guys what it is. It will be great. You guys will love it. Let's go. Okay, guys, we're here. Look at this, Mom. It's creepy. Very creepy. What is that?
Buntut pagi.
Stingray?
Stingray.
Oh, look at all those crabs. Squids.
Which one are you gonna
Oh, that thing's just big. Nice. I'm a sissy girl, so I don't want to put it on. Sissy boy.
Can you do the cha-cha?
Of course. That is how you cook it. You flip it, you wait for it, and then you put it in a plate, you serve it. We are going to the waterfalls. This is called Balagbag Falls. Let's go, come on, guys. We're gonna walk all the way there, further away than we know. Bye, guys. Basically, it's just gonna be super close. See you guys when we're finally doing.
Sabog-sabog ang dugong dayos. Okay guys, we're at the falls. It is fantastic. We're after 3 stories about this. We're gonna try and get up. I need to swim. Nothing will stop me. Wait. There we go. Okay guys, we are gonna be leaving Balagbag Falls. It has been nice, but we did stay there for so long. We will be going to the next falls. Oh, by the way, if you have a car, payment is 40 pesos and 40 pesos per head. But if you're as small as Saver, the beast, you are free. We are on our way to the falls, but we just stopped here to see these fantastic rock formations behind me. Do you guys see it? Is it pretty? Look at the thing. There's a parking fee actually. 20 pesos per car and 20 pesos per adult only. Children are free. I am free. She is free. He is free. We have to check for around 15 minutes, they said. Well, I don't really know how long we'll get, but hopefully we arrive there fast. Looks like it's gonna rain. Is that a boar? Is that a boar? No, wait, it's sleeping. It's a naked piggy. While the thrill, a nightmare shall begin.
Why can't you kill me?
What the plants, guys? Let me touch them. When we were younger, we called these shy plants.
Oh, you actually closed the whole thing.
I'm the goddess of death. I can hear it. I can see it. It is right there. Ta-da! Let's get a closer look. This rock is good. Keep on going forward. Be careful. Don't be scared of the dog. The dog would bite you. It will see you. Guys, this is a real waterfall! I am never. Okay. First you have to follow me. We are all alone in this nice waterfall. It is exclusively for us. Just kidding. And all the tourists went away, so it's only us. We're happy here. We're just gonna be spending a bit more here. The water's a lot more cleaner here. It's also a bit colder. It's very nice. If I were you swim here at Quezon, do not go that far because it's very deep. Here.
Did you see the boat?
Yeah, I recorded it.
We found a 20 pesos in the water. It's on me right now. We found it. No, we. No visitor. She's lying all the time for money.
This is propaganda.
My waterfall.
My waterfalls, it has been amazing being with you. And you are fantastic and cold. What are those moving things? What are they?
Those movies.
Water striders.
What are water striders?
Things that hover in water. Where did you get those buck pineapple things though? Oh look, puppies, the piggies. Wow. Puppy. Lorry pond. Don't you think it's a bit spelled wrong? Though should we just fix it? We are back at the resort where we are. Behind me is the beautiful tent setup. There are not really much people around. We're gonna explore more tomorrow. We hope to see you there with us. Well, you guys are always there for us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell while you're there, okay? At the saver, come here. Bye!